Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, recently I made a video on GitHub Copilot, and over there you could see the power of AI code completion, and many people are actually requesting me to basically compare this Tabnine AI code completion versus GitHub Copilot, and out of both of them which one is very good, we'll try to see in this specific video. So let's start first with Tabnine AI code, and then I will continue with the other library that is called as GitHub Copilot. And remember guys, I know I guess let's okay, just pause the video and just say me that which will actually perform better, and later on we'll try to see it. So if you don't know about Tabnine AI code completion, guys, this is also very much implementable to various programming languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, TypeScript, and many other programming languages. This actually provides you some auto completion techniques with respect to writing your code, and yes, it is also good. So let's first of all see how to install this. So first of all, when you are in your Visual Studio Code, just go away and click on the extension, and here you just search for Tabnine AI code. Then it'll give you an option to install it. Just go ahead and install it. Now let's go over here and let's try to write some code over here so that you will be able to see and find out like what all things we can actually do. So first of all, let me do one thing. Quickly go to test.py and let's start this particular code. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so that you'll be able to see it. Now suppose I really want to write a very simple function, so I'll say definition sum or underscore list. So here you can see how the options are actually given as an auto code completion. So suppose if I'm giving a list over here, okay, if I go inside this, so I'm what this function basically means that I'm going to just give a list, and it is just going to iterate through it and calculate the sum of all the values that are present inside the list. Just a very simple example. I just wanted to show you this example over here, so that is the reason I'm taking just a simple example. So this is my total sum is equal to 0. Now see, if I'm using this for loop, automatically this auto code completion is actually coming up. So here you can see I'm using this LST, and then probably I will write total sum. See, plus or equal to also it is giving, but it will not work. So I can use this automatically and just press I, right? And this is the simple code that you can actually find out. Whenever I give a list inside this particular function, it will work. So after this, I'll just say return total sum. Okay, it is giving us the auto completion code. And again guys, as you go ahead and writing different complex problem statements, also it will also give you different code suggestions. Now suppose if I want to run this and say print, now you can see over here print option is there, but it is giving it in the form of string. Okay, let's see. So here I'm just going to call my sum underscore list with my examples 1 2 3 4 5 6, just to show you a simple example so that you don't get confused with much. And here is your entire code. Let's run it. Now here you can see, okay, so one error is over here. Instead of making it 0 for I print sum underscore list, okay, we are getting some error. Let's see this error. It's a very simple error. List object cannot be interpreted as an integers. Okay, so instead of making I in range, I'll just remove this. This is just simple error, guys. It's okay, you will fix it. So here you can see that I'm getting 15 is the output. Very simple. Okay, so I had actually written initially range. Now I can just write like this. Now similarly, if I really want to see, the thing is that if you have seen the GitHub Copilot, you know, if you just write down the command, it will give you the entire syntax and all. So over here you really need to write logic, but over there over here you'll get an option of doing the auto completion. Suppose if I say find the even number, something like even check. Okay, I'm just doing an even check. See, automatically over here it is giving it. Can give you can actually give a list also, and probably I'll just say for I in LST, I want to go and check each and every element whether inside this is an even number or not. So I'll say for I in list, if I percentile 2 double equal to 0, then just say print. Okay, print the number is even, else the number is odd, just to else. So here you can see auto completion is there. Okay, the number is, see over here you can see the number is odd. So auto completion is definitely there. Okay, but understand it will not give you the entire code like how it gives us in GitHub Copilot. But yes, a good library altogether. Tabnine AI code is a good library to do the auto completion thing with respect to different programming languages. And still, GitHub Copilot has not come up with Java or .NET programming languages, but this may work with Java and all also. So you can see all the options over here. Altogether, a good library altogether. And understand one thing, guys, you have to write your logic. It will just give you an autocomplete feature. Other than that, nothing. But I feel, yes, for developers, this will definitely be good. Now let's go ahead and try to see our favorite library, GitHub Copilot. And let's see, I'll just try to do a simple, I'll just try to do a simple EDA and check how good it is. And definitely you can compare with Tabnine AI code. So let's proceed with the other library that is called as GitHub Copilot. So now guys, let's go ahead and explore the GitHub Copilot. You can see I have enabled this. Now let's go back to my file and open test.py. Here I'm just going to remove this older function that I had actually written. Let me close this entirely and let's try whether it will work or not. So here I'm just going to say create a function to do binary sort or search, to do binary search. Okay, so I'll say write definite binary search, press tab. Now see, the thing is that here, yes, it is coming in an amazing way. You can see over here, it's really good. I don't have to do much. Just imagine, guys, I know how binary search actually works. Now if I see this, yes, I feel, yeah, this is doing pretty much good when compared to just a auto code completion, but instead it is just giving you the entire code. And obviously because in the back end there is a training model over here, right? So let's run this now. So the entire code is now written, guys. So let's go and run it. Over here what I am giving is that I'm giving this list of elements A, and I really need to search at which index this 5 element is actually present. So here you can definitely see it 0th index it is present. Let me run it quickly, and here you can see the value is 2, right? Amazing. How much time I actually spent. Definitely this GitHub Copilot has definitely beaten the Tabnine. Now not only this, let's do a binary sort if I want. Okay, I can do a binary sort. So definition binary sort, let's see. Perfect, all the code is written. Okay, let's print it and just do the binary sort. Okay, so the example is also given. See, it's not like I don't know how binary sort works. I definitely know, because I've learned all these things when I was actually preparing for GATE exams. But definitely for writing code, we really need to think. We need to think about the logic and all. Yes, it is. I'm not saying that for a fresher this is very, very good. Okay. Yes, but for an experienced person who has already done this kind of task, it can be very, very handy as implementing something quickly. But for freshers, trust me, you really need to build the logic. Okay, for the fresher, I think they should not get access to this. So here you can see now the entire code number is sorted. So here is just one example where we saw like how things are done. Some of the data structures we have checked. Now let's try to do some EDA. Define a function to handle the missing values in a data frame. So done. So I'll say definition, let's say missing value data frame, then I can just press tab or what, I don't know. So it's not coming, something will come definitely. Oh, it's just taking time. Okay, so you have to actually wait. Done. See this this data frame, you just give it and it will just try to check out how many missing values are there. Very easy, right? So definitely if I compare GitHub Copilot and Tabnine, definitely GitHub Copilot is very much better. And what I think, if you are a fresher, start using Tabnine first of all, because there you'll be at least building logics and all, and you'll be getting some options to write your own code. Don't directly go over here. That will be my suggestion. Yes, if you are an experienced person, if you have worked in all those things, if you are doing that task again and again, I think definitely instead of doing a Google search, you can actually do this. But even though if you are using this GitHub Copilot, if you after writing the code, just please check the code how it is actually working. Okay, this is very much necessary. So there is one more library called as KITE. You can also check it out. It also works almost like Tabnine, where it provides you auto completion suggestion and all. Definitely, I don't want to show one more example because I think I have uploaded a video on that, but you can definitely go and search the extension over here about KITE and you can try it out. So this is KITE Autocomplete. You can definitely try it out. It is also a plugin, and some of the options that is something like this. See, insert numpy matplotlib.pyplot, like this. This kind of auto completion will automatically be available for you all. So definitely try it out and check it out how you are able to work with this also not. And definitely tell me whether you like Tabnine or KITE auto completion AI code. It is up to you, but this is also provided with respect to Python, Java, Go, PHP, C#. Even for C# it is available. So I hope you like this particular video, and definitely my favorite, since I've worked so many years in this industry, I'll go with GitHub Copilot. So I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one all. Bye bye.